Can I activate my T-Mobile SIM card over the phone?
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to activate your T-Mobile SIM card over the phone. It's a quick and simple process that doesn't require a physical visit to a T-Mobile store. So, without further ado, let's dive in.
What you will need before you start.
Before starting the activation process, there are a few things you will need. 1. Your new T-Mobile SIM card. Ensure you have the SIM card with you. 2. The phone in which you want to use the new SIM card. 3. Important personal details, such as your T-Mobile account number and your Social Security number, SSN, or tax ID.
Activating your SIM card over the phone.
Now that you have all the necessary items, let's begin the activation process. 1. First, call T-Mobile customer service. The number to dial is 1-800-937-8997 if you are in the US too. Once connected, choose the option for SIM activation in the interactive voice response system. If there is no direct option, you may need to talk to a customer service representative. 3. The automated system or representative will ask for your SIM card number. This number is usually found on the SIM card itself or the card where the SIM was detached. 4. After that, you'll be asked to provide some personal information to verify your identity. This is where you might need to provide details like your SSN or tax ID and T-Mobile account number. 5. Once your identity is verified, the representative or automated system will then activate the SIM card. 6. After your SIM card is activated, insert it into your phone. 7. Finally, restart your phone to ensure that the SIM card is working properly. You should now be able to make calls, send texts, and use data if included in your plan. And there you have it. You have successfully activated your T-Mobile SIM card over the phone. This process is straightforward and convenient, and best of all, it saves you a trip to the store. If you encounter any problems during activation, don't hesitate to call T-Mobile's customer service again for assistance. Thanks for watching.